Yep, it's me again. All right, it's a warm day. Warm day for March. Not even April yet. Not even middle of March yet. And I've been busy because I think I found a contractor. I'm just gonna pan the camera around as I talk. I think I found a contractor to do my plenum. They're gonna tear it all out, all the way back down to the air handler. I'm going to get an inline filter, one of those big accordion type. They're not quite HEPA, but they're close. You know, one of those big media that are like 4 inches wide, 20 by 20 or 20 by 30, or you know, they're heavy duty filters. I said I was going to pan the camera. So yeah, I got a proposal, and I'm in the question stage. I'm asking them questions, and they're answering them via text and email. So they said they could. Well, so I'm going to get like the new trunk line, the new plenum. I'm going to get a new run from the plenum to my bedroom, from the boot all the way back to the takeoff. They're going to finish up this for me. That's why I had to do this. That's why I had to get this done today. Because they're going to do that for me. I don't know where they're going to put it. I don't know if it's going to be in front of the ceiling or in the back corner. So that's why I left it long and left it hanging, so they can cut it where they want. But it's the ceiling is, the major members are up, and I lowered it to 9.5 inches versus 8.5 for outside, because I wanted to get a little bit lower, because I'm putting the cans up there, and the cans, oh, they're in the I had one in here. So yeah, that's pretty much ready for the guys. And they said they could get all that work done in about a day. And that's a lot of work. That would take me, well, it'd take me a month. It would take me a month. So, you know, doing it little by little here and there. But they're going to have probably a small crew of guys getting it done. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little updated video. I won't make this too long. But I have no air conditioning. I decided to actually shut it down, and I also shut the breaker down too. So it's because I didn't want to forget and accidentally go to my thermostat and say, oh yeah, let's get a little AC. I didn't want to forget and turn it on. So since that video the other night when I put all that Lysol down in the plenum, my service has been off. My system has been off. And a lot of you are probably saying, good idea. And yes, good idea. So now I didn't do elbows, right? Because I felt around there, and I know it looks a little accordion-like with the insulation, but the actual vent itself, I felt around in there, and there's no constriction around that corner. But if they want to, they can. There's enough room, enough slack in that strapping that they can pull it back a little bit. So I'll leave it up to them. They might want to put an elbow in. They might want to put a couple elbows in. I'll leave it up to them because they are the professionals. So, yeah, I did get some done. This is still exposed, and I definitely want to close that up. I want to get that going too. And the wire, I'm going to pull the wire back out through the ceiling, and I want to see how far back it goes. And like I said, I want to junction that. That's my 12.3. I want to junction that 12.3. So other than that, I took one of my spots down because it was in my way. And when I go to put my spots in, look at my, I got my ladder in the tub. So let me jump up here. Okay, hold on. When I put my spots in, I'm going to have to I don't want to get them anywhere near this insulation. All right, so when I put my spots in, they're probably going to be closer to the wall than I anticipated, but that's okay. The good thing about these, let's see if this one's hot. Well, it's warm. It's not hot. It's not, I mean, I'm touching it. I can feel heat, but it's not hot. So that's a good thing. So, in fact, I think I might want them to put it up through this hole, not through that hole, because that's going to take space, and that's going to throw my lighting off, I think. So I think I'm going to say, can you put it up through that hole? That hole down there, remember that hole that I made? That hole right there. So, let me get. Man, I was dropping hammers, dropping these scissors. I was dropping everything. And I'm glad I'm going to be replacing this tub at some point. I even dropped stuff in the shower, but we won't look in there. So every time I turned around, I was dropping something. Okay, I'm going to leave you with this because it's running on past 5 minutes, and I just want to give you a little quick update. So there's the latest and more to come.